Oh, we're live. Ladies and gentlemen, we're back with another one.
Another one.
Another CGC unboxing. Again, Harley Quinn cannot get enough. She's like, Dad, I need to be on the next video. I'm like, let's do it. So today, we got another 10 bangers back from CGC. And we're going to show you guys what we got. Are you ready, Harley Quinn?
Yep.
Let's do it. All right, guys, book number 1. Again, we got more of the Alex Ross Timeless we sent in. This is Wolverine 31, Alex Ross Timeless. It is the White Queen. Again, we get hit over the head with these white covers lately, so I don't know. I'm thinking I'm gonna start off low for this one. I'm gonna say 9-4. Harley Quinn, what do you think?
I think 9-6.
She's thinking 9-6. All right, I'm thinking 9-4. She's thinking 9-6. Let's see who is right. Are you ready, ladies and gents? Book number 1. Harley Quinn starting us off, knowing what it is. Yo. Again, this will be for sale. If I could speak. I already can't speak. It'll be for sale on Whatnot or IG or yo. I got somewhere else that I might be selling. I'm going to let you guys know soon. Let's get into book number 2. Starting off with a 9-6. Let's hope for a little bit better. Let's go. Book number 2. Again, shout out to Mrs. Troll for putting the tape on here so we don't see what it is. This is going to be a PC book, if you guys don't know, by the wall in the back. I love the Battle Damage Tyler Kirkham stuff. And I do not have this one yet. So we're hoping for a 9.8. If it's anything less than a 9.8, it will be for sale, 100%. I know, I need to stop being a 9.8 snob. But it's not on old books. Old books, I'm cool. My Tomb of Dracula, number 1 is a 9.2. Believe it or not, I have pretty much all 9.2s in Tomb of Dracula. 9.8's a little pricey. Eventually, I'll get there, but 9.2 I'm happy with, you know. But we're hoping for the 9.8 on this newer stuff. Again, white cover. They usually beat us over the head. So, Harley, what do you think? I'm hoping for the 9.8, but I'm thinking 9.6. What are you thinking?
Thinking 9-8.
She's thinking 9.8. All right. Fingers crossed. Let's go. Book number 2. Something is killing the children. 27. Battle Damage. Virgin. Oh, I love when that little girl's right. 9.8. It's going on the wall. This is a wall book for me. Harley, are you ready for book number 3?
Yeah.
Book number 3. We got another Alex Ross Timeless.
Another one.
This time, we got the man himself. Black Panther. What do you think, Car? Again, the white Timeless could go either way. They're really harsh on these.
I think 9-6.
9.6. That's what I was thinking too. Let's go with 9.6. I'm gonna think 9.6.
Hope 9-8.
Hope 9.8 always. So let's check it out. Oh, we're both wrong, but it's a good wrong. Got 9.8. This will be for sale, baby. If anybody is a Black Panther fan. Let's get into book number 4, Harley Quinn. Are you ready?
Yep.
Yep. Book number 4. We got another Battle Damage. Something's Killing the Children. Again, I don't have this one. And I don't know if you guys seen. All right, there's a kind of a glare. But I already put the other Something Killing the Children from earlier in the video. Why you keep disappearing? She's hiding behind the book. Shh, go on. I don't have this one. So if it's a 9.8, it's a keeper. Anything less, it'll be for sale. But we're going to hope for 9.8. I'm going to say 9.8 on this one. What do you think, Harley Quinn?
9-8.
9.8. All right, let's see if we're right. And we're both right. It's going on the wall.
Yeah.
9.8. Something's Killing Children. 29. Awesome, awesome cover. Again, I love these Battle Damage covers. I don't know about you guys, but more and more I'm grabbing more of them, even if I'm going to hold on to them for a while. and see where they go. But I'm digging them. I love Tyler Hickmart, and I love the battle damage stuff. I know a lot of people don't like them. They say they're, overdone, but I can't get enough of them. Especially if you guys seen the new Supermans, and they're just insane. I can't wait to send. I just got a bunch in, and can't wait to send them to CGC. Hopefully get some 9/8s on them. But let's get into book number 5. I'm rambling on. I'm a rambling man. Book number 5. We got another one. It's another battle damage.
Another one.
Berserker number 1. Tyler Kirkham. This is the blood spot foil. Yes, that is foily goodness where the blood is. Again, we're gonna hope for the 9/6, 9/8. I already have one of these in the PC, so either grade it's gonna be for sale. But we're gonna hope that for the 9/8 for resellability. And what are you thinking, Har?
Thinking 9-8.
9/8. I'm gonna say 9/6, but I'm hoping you're right. All right, let's see. Harley Quinn at it again. 9/8. This will be for sale, baby. Going right back in the bag. Book number 6 coming up. Book number 6. I absolutely love this book. The wraparound cover on this is amazing, and every time I get one, I always send them in. They seem to sell well as well, because it's just an amazing cover, man. If you love Invincible, if you love John Boy Myers, if you love awesome covers, this has it all set up for you. Again, I already have one in the PC. I have the Virgin in the PC. I don't have the other one though.
Trade?
No, I have this is the trade. I have the Virgin. I don't have. It's like a
Foil?
No, not a foil. It's just got like a color splash to it. I don't have. But we're gonna see. I'm hoping for the 9/8. I'm thinking 9/8. This was a beautiful book. Untouched. What do you think, Harley Quinn?
I'm thinking a 9-8.
9/8. Let's go. Yeah. There's no way. There's no way. If they did 9/6 on this book, I'd be like, you're lying. You're lying. This will be for sale, baby. Let's go. Book number 7 coming at you right. Meow. Book number 7. This is a key. Believe it or not. Spider-Man 7. It is the first appearance of Spider-Boy. It would have been cool if they did an Alex Ross Spider-Boy for this. How cool would that have been? But we got my man Doc Ock on here. Timeless variant Alex Ross. Again, either way, this will be for sale, but we're hoping for the 9/8. First appearance of Spider-Boy. I'm thinking 9/8. What do you think?
Yeah, 9-8.
9/8. Let's see. Oh, yeah. This is a good order. This is a very good order. 9/8, baby. All right, the next ones, I can guarantee you, are not going to be 9/8s. Okay, they're customer copies, and they just wanted them for their own PC and didn't care about the grades. They're just like, yo, can you send these in? So it's going to be fun to try and guess the grades on those ones. Again, coming up, book number 8 coming up right meow. Book number 8, it's a big book. Avengers 196, first appearance of Taskmaster. Okay, this is a newsstand too. Again, this customer's personal copy. So Hart, when I looked at this before I sent it in, I was thinking anywhere between a 4.5 and a 6.0. Okay? So we can either do 4.5, 5, 5.5, or 6.0. What do you think?
5-5.
5.5, that's what I was thinking. That's what I was thinking. All right, let's see if we get the 5.5. Again, when I looked at it, I was saying 4.5, but now we're saying 5.5, so let's hope for that 5.5 for him. All right, alrighty. First Taskmaster. Again, this book has been read, I like to say. Let's see. 5.5, yo! Let's go, dude! Yo. This girl, I'm telling you, she's gonna be cooler than me. Well, she already cooler than me, but she's gonna be better than me at everything. Awesome book. First Taskmaster newsstand. It's a newsie. Let's get to book number 9. Book number 9 is another big book. This is Predator 1. It is the first Predator in comics. The first one.
Emotional damage.
I know, right? Again, this is a customer copy. They were like, hey, I have this copy. I don't care what it grades. I just want it graded for myself. But when I looked at it, I was saying to him 8.0. So I'm thinking hard. It's going to be anywhere between 7.5, okay, and a 9.0. Okay, so we could either be 7.5, 8.0, 8.5, or 9.0. What do you think?
5.
You think 8.5? I'm going to go with my initial grade of 8.0. And, yeah, I was hoping that, you know, I'm like, you know what, maybe it'll get to 9. I don't know. But I'm thinking 8.0. That's what I predicted it to be before we sent it in. So let's see. Are you ready, Har?
Yeah.
Harley Quinn. This girl put me out of business again. 8.5. Let's go. Yo, he's going to be so happy. Super happy. Because I was like, yo, man, you know, it should get an 8. Awesome. Predator 1. First Predator in comics. All right, guys. Book number 10. You're going to love book number 10. It's a key. Let's go. Before we get into book number 10, guys, I know you're excited to see what book number 10 is. But I need you to go to tncomiccollector.com. I need you to pick out some fire exclusives. The new Creep Show is dropping September 13th. Make sure you pre-order and you use code TrollsComics when it says coupon code in the checkout. Okay? That'll get you 15% off your entire order. So have at it. Get some awesome stuff and tell them Troll sent you. All right, back to the video. Book number 10. Again, customer copy. They didn't care what the grade was. They just had the book since they were forever ago. And they're like, yo, I need this graded. This is the origin of the alien symbiote suit that becomes Venom, my favorite person in Marvel. And again, this is a lower grade. So Harley Quinn. So I told him I thought it was going to be a 7.0 when I went to go get, you know, put it away and to send it in. So I'm thinking either 6.5, 7.0, 7.5, or 8. What do you think?
7.5.
Harley's going 7.5. I'm going to stick with my 7.0 that I thought it was. And let's hope for the 8 though, right?
Yeah.
For his sake. Again, Harley's saying 7.5. I'm saying 7.0. Let's see. Marvel Superhero Secret Wars number 8. Iconic book. Are you ready, Harley Quinn?
Yeah.
Oh, you ain't putting me out of business yet. All right, I got it right with a 7. Let's go, Hart. Yo, so proud of you. You're doing amazing now. But yo, grading is subjective. If that guy had a better day, it might have been a 7.5 or an 8. You know. But yo, I think he's gonna be super happy with the grades that he got. Guys, if you had fun on this one and want to see more, make sure you click the subscribe, hit the like button, and follow us along for more stuff. Guys, we're going to be live. Make sure you check out our TikTok, Trolls Comics on TikTok, Trolls.comics on IG, the Troll Hunter JC right here on YouTube. And, man, we have some big things in store. If you guys missed me, I was at Boston Fan Expo 2023. I'm planning a big tour next year. We're going to be hitting up all the spots. I was going to go NYCC this year, but I think we're going to pass and just hit it hard next year. So we're going to start off with MegaCon in February. I know, February, right? They're like, yo, C2E2, you're not doing this stuff again. So we will be there. MegaCon 2024. I can't even believe it. 2024? Are we really that old? I don't know. But guys, I love you. Again, if you enjoy the content, you enjoy the coolest Harley Quinn, the real Harley Quinn. That's really her name, by the way, if you're new here. Then hit that like and subscribe. And we got more cool stuff. Not just comic book stuff either, man. I got all kinds of really cool stuff in the works. Make sure you follow on our journey in life, man. And I love you guys. Peace.